Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I'm going to see one of the interesting project that is called Age Calculator. Once executed, whether we can use PyCharm, Jupyter, anything, at last we can get the output here. So you can give the some data path and you can give some given date. So based on that, at last it print the showing the screen a certain age, that is how exactly age 10 years or 20 years like that. Let's go for the program. So before going the coding, we have now some information. So that is the age calculator using the Tkinter. That is, the thing you can say, create a GUI based simple age calculator application. Okay, that always can calculate the age with respect to the given date and birthday and given by the user. So what are steps required here? So if you want to do this, create a Tkinter, we need the mandatory step that is called you have to install already, importing the model, then create a main window and add the number of widgets to the main window and apply the event trigger on the widget. So once everything completed, as in the screen, the user can enter comfortably the information. Once the information given through the boxes, text boxes, it will be display the result. Whenever you want, you can press the submit button and clear also. Let's go for the coding. I'm going to say the simple coding is very simple and easy. Or want to learn the Python beginners, it will be helpful for you. So there will be explanation line is there. I try to make it a shortcut. You should not get boring also. So here, the first step is we can use import the all functions of the Tkinter. I'm going to write the coding from Tkinter import, then from Tkinter import message box, then clearing. So clear function for clear I'm writing definition clear all function. Then I'm going to give the field day field dot delete of 0 comma end. The meaning is it will display the Tkinter window with the empty things, that is 0. So similarly, I'm giving the month field, year field, given day field, given month field, simultaneously containing resultant day field, resultant month field, resultant year field also. Then I'm going to write the function for checking error. So if you give anything wrong, if you press character anything, this error. That reason I'm writing the check error. That is if day field dot get. Then I'm going to write if day field dot get is equal to r and the field dot get. Then I r if at all write or it will go to year field dot get or given day field dot get up. That means you have to give everything in a numeric format only. Then show the error message, that is input error. So instead of I'm giving 5 or 10, I had to give something number AB. It will say immediately display the message called input error. Remember. Then clear all function calling. So clear all I'm giving return -1 having and calculate is very important. The main important code of the program. So I'm writing definition, calculate the age function. Then I'm writing going to write the continue the code. If value is equal to -1, then continue return. Else can go for the next one. That is take the value from the respectively entry boxes. So I'm going to write birth underscore day of int of day field dot get. Similarly, I'm writing year, birth year, and then we are writing the another text boxes like we are going to give the given day, month, year also. Everything should be integer only. Then we are going to check the condition. So I'm going to give the month information like 31, 21, 28, 31, 30, and so on and so on. Then we are going to give the condition. If birthday greater than the given day, what happened? It will take the formula given underscore month is equal to given underscore month -1. Then given day underscore given day plus month of birth underscore -1. Then we can say if birth month is greater than okay given underscore year. Then I'm writing the formula given underscore month is equal to given underscore month plus 12. As of if we give this one, then only we can calculate the resultant age without error. Then calculated underscore day is equal to given day minus birthday day. Calculated month is equal to given month is equal to minus birth. Similarly, given year minus birth year. So once you given 2020 and the birthday this 2000, it will display 20 like that the variant. Then we are writing the code. Continue resultant page. So resultant field we are writing resultant day dot field up instead of 10 comma str calculated day. At last the screen just now shown will display the information. Similarly, month at last we are entering the year also. So you have to give in the numeric format only. Numbering format. Then we are going to write if number and driver main code. We are writing if name is equal to main code. Then we are writing GUI is equal to TK. That window name is GUI TK. Then I'm going to write GUI dot configure of background color is light green. If you want to can change yellow anything and GUI title is age calculator. Then size is 525 into 260. Then we are writing the DOB date of birth label. So DOB is equal to table of GUI comma text called date of birth comma which is called blue. Then create a given date. We are writing similarly label given date blue and create a day, create a month. Then we are writing similarly here also and given day and given month and given year. Simultaneously we are printing same. We can change the color whenever you want, where you want, and the size also. Then resultant here also we are creating the label. We are writing G label of GUI comma text code yes, BG is called red screen. Similarly, writing the student month, resultant day, result age, and clear all entry. And we can write day field is called entry of GUI, and the field is entry of GUI. Similarly, continue. And given day field is called entry of GUI. That means we can go in the window box. We can enter whatever data you want. Similarly, writing the uh, resultant year field. Similarly, we're writing. Then we are going to apply the grid method, where is used for placing all the widgets at respective position. So we are writing DOB dot grid of row is equal to 0, column is equal to 1. Similarly, we're writing day dot grid of row is equal to 1, comma column is equal to 0. Then year dot grid, then given date. So similarly, we're writing simultaneous, similar continuously making everything the common. So column on column, as of you know the basics of this TK window, and given that year of grid of row is equal to 3, column is equal to 3. You are giving, then only to place in the perfect row and column. Then we are writing the resultant age that grid. Then we are continuing the coding for all the information what are given them. At last we are going to complete with the clear all entry dot grid of rows equal to 1 and columns equal to 1. Then stop the, at last we can complete the coding with the GU dot main loop. So I made it somewhat fast because there's no time to complete all the work. If you complete the coding everything, if you well and good, you can parse everything. So at last you execute it, it will display the information like this. So I'm going to give the day. Just assume that I'm going to give the day as 4 and month is 5, and I'm going to year input as a 2000. Then I'm going to give one date. I'm just giving the date of 2 and month is 5. Then given year I'm going to give 2022. So once you give result in age, it will print successfully 21 years, 11 months, and 29 days. When I give the clear on, it will clear out. This is all about age calculator. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.